Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Skillibeng is going on tour with Drake. The Wap Wap artist shared with his fans yesterday a post from the Grammy-winning rapper Stories, which sees him as part of the Chicago leg of Drake and 21 Savage's It's All a Blur tour scheduled for today. Skillibeng last year performed at Drake's birthday event. Now Drake had recently pushed back the first set of tour dates. According to reports, Drake took into consideration the health of his DJ Prince, who has cancer. The tour, which started on Wednesday, was originally set to start back in June and will run into August. It's All a Blur North American Summer Tour wraps around their collaborative album Her Loss. The album debuted at #1 on the Billboard 200, earning Drake his 12th #1 on the all-genre chart. Now Dexter Daps performs live for the first time with Davido. The Nigerian superstar kicked off his North American Summer Tour Timeless in Washington, D.C. over the weekend. Fans were pleasantly surprised when Davido called up the Jamaican dancehall artist on stage to perform their single off his album, Bop. The crowd went off when he branched out to perform his own hit single, Shabba Dexter, hot off the heels of his BET Awards performance with Busta Rhymes, is on his Trilogy US tour, which sees current dates in July and August. Now, Taylor Swift's Cruel Summer is back on top 4 years later. Taylor, who is currently on her long-awaited The Eras tour, which began in March, is reaping the success from the one track that is part of her 44-song set list. Cruel Summer has seen a major surge in streaming numbers, so much so that Taylor's label released the track from her 2019 album as a single. Notably, even before its official release, Cruel Summer had already re-entered the Billboard Hot 100 in the US. The song currently sits at #8 on the Global 200 chart, making it her 15th top 10 on the charts. Cruel Summer also repeaked on the US Spotify charts at #3 and rose to #12 on the global chart with near 3 million plays. It is also back on the UK Top 40 chart. The superstar shared the news, describing it as the weirdest, most magical thing that has ever happened to her in the whole time that she's been doing this. Taylor's US leg of her New Era tour is set to continue through to August. The international leg of the tour is set to take place next year, with stops in the UK. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.